Hello.
आवाज़ आ रही होगी अब। ओके, तो आज का मार्केट कंडीशंस देखते हैं सबसे पहले। तो सबसे पहले हम लोग मार्केट कंडीशंस आज देखेंगे, तो आगे बढ़ते हैं। देखते हैं क्या चल रहा है। तो यूएस ऑयल वी कैन सी कि ऊपर जा रहा है। स्ट्रीम आ रही है। हाँ ठीक है, आ रही है। तो हम लोग अब देखेंगे यूएस ऑयल सबसे पहले देखते हैं। तो यूएस ऑयल तो ऊपर जा रहा है, इधर से जाना ही था इसको ऊपर। आई थिंक क्योंकि यहाँ पे वो, अगर मैं होता तो यहाँ पे स्टॉप लॉस डालता, तो कुछ ये हाई स्वीप किया था ना। तो अब फर्स्ट वी हैव टू पुट प्रायर डे एंड प्री मार्केट इंडिकेटर सबसे पहले। दिस इज़ माय रूल, because look, the prices have broken the prior week low, and so it is in a discounted zone now. So you must not try selling now, you must try to buy, you must try to find buys now. So in order to find buys, we can just wait for the market to create a fair value gap or an imbalance. So for an imbalance to be created, the condition must be this, like this. It's not clear now. Let me erase it. So we will see now when the fair value gap will be created, and then we'll enter the buy. So for US oil, we can clearly see that the prices have broken this trend line, and as it was following the trend line of forming higher highs again, and no, it was not forming higher highs, it was in a parallel channel, parallel or not parallel, actually a rising wedge channel. So it was rising here, and it came up, and then it again went down. It fooled all the buyers, like showed a huge buying potential here. But actually, but if you look closely, like we can see, there is no upper wick here, so it's already a trap. If you enter buy here, you are screwed, and you must know that. Or if you're trying for some small scalping entries, then you can enter buy here, and then you can get up to here. So we can wait to find some good setup here in the market. For me, actually, as there was news today, so we got good news for US dollar. So the prices of oil and all the commodities which is paired with USD is bound to go down, as all news are in favor of the dollar. Core durable goods, change in the total value of new purchase orders placed with manufacturers of durable goods excluding transportation items. Actual greater than forecast is good for currency, and This data is usually revised via the factory orders and released about a few weeks later. Order for aircraft are volatile and can severely distort the underlying trend. The core data therefore must be thought of a better purchase order. Core durable goods month on month. Actually, my mic is sounding a lot. Why there are so many fucking birds? There are too many birds here. Um, I think the sound of birds will be less now as I'm decreasing my volume. So I'll speak loudly now and we'll get to the point. So 68.08 oil has not broken this thing, but as there is no upper wick, I'm not interested in buying now. I'm not seeing to buy oil now. There is upper wick here though, so there is a potential up here, and I think I should buy, but no, we should wait for some clear structure in the market. If you want to enter risky trade now, then you can enter it. mm, yeah, I knew it will break it, as there was no upper wick here, so it will definitely come and break through, and we will see some good setup once this thing breaks. It's not breaking now. mm, Once this thing breaks, then we can find some pretty good setups in the market. So now what else we have gold up here. So gold is currently, it faked a selling from here and it's now calling the people to buy it, but I think it's a fake buying, as all the news is against the gold is against gold. So how can you um, buy gold in such a situation if all the news is against you? All right, so I don't think so. There's no clear reason to buy. Still, if we draw this trend line up here, and we can see that prices are respecting this thing, and it's forming kind of inverse head and shoulders pattern. So it's indicating a bullish trend now. I think gold can be bought up from here. If you see a fair value gap somewhere, I think I can see one. This is a good setup up here. We can buy gold here and we can put a SL at 72. Hmm. This can be done. I'm buying. But still, wait. I'm not in a hurry because there's more news to come now. It's not 7:30 yet, so yeah, there's so much more. Where is it? Yeah. FOMC speech, FOMC Bowman, and Powell is going to speak now, so it's going to be pretty volatile. I'll not advise you to get into any trades now until 6:50, until his speech ends. Sorry for burping on my. Yeah, so we can see that gold has broken this thing, and there is one more Fiji fair value gap here, which is suggesting another buying, but I won't say now. It's not worth it. It's not worth taking the risk now because it will keep on going up and down, up and down. I know that. I've been trading gold since long time, so I know it will go up and down, up and down. There's no inverse head and shoulder pattern. My bad. At 3 minutes, you find nothing there. So in the hourly time frame, we can see, yeah, there is a level here, 2672, 2664, 2670 to 2664. So yeah, there's a level here, and if we see that we can, people have placed buy here, so yeah, there was an imbalance, so people did place some orders. Yeah, so it's going down. Oil is going down. Ladies and gentlemen, oil is going down. It's going down again. It's following our I think it's gonna break the lowest point of today. Oil is badly rejected, and yeah, it's going down to the ground where it belongs. I think it will call you to sell up here. It will come and retest this point, most likely. Let's see. I'm on 3 minutes time frame, so in the early thing we can see that it has not broken this low. So yeah, so it will, let's move to the lower time frame. We can see in the 3 minutes time frame that no imbalances. You must wait, and for 4 hours we can see that this low is not broken, right? Yeah, this low is not broken. So this is the lowest point, 6712.67.11, and it will definitely go down from here. Yeah, so market created this imbalance too up here. Prices entered, prices touched here, and then got rejected, went down. Okay, I can see that. And if we see up here that yeah, it's following it downward, sort of parallel channel, I guess. Yeah, it's following a downward parallel channel. Like it's trying to escape all the time from the downtrend. See, it's going up, low, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and again it's forming a lower low. I don't I'm not particularly optimistic in oil now, as it's again forming a lower low. It has not broken the parallel channel, and it's continuing following the downward parallel channel. So if we study about the downward parallel channel, that downward parallel channel, so let's see what it says. So downward parallel channel is known as a descending channel. Its chart pattern, which indicates security price is trending downwards out of three basic channels. How it's formed: two parallel trend lines connect. Let's open chat GPT. Let's ask. Let's trade. Let's ask him some doubts. So start now. In downward parallel channel. It indicates a bearish trend in financial market. It consists of two parallel trend lines, one acting as resistance at upper boundary, other acting as support at lower boundary. Prices tend to move between these lines, typically downward over time. Short selling. Traders might look for opportunities to sell near the resistance line. So we have to wait for a breakout. There isn't any breakout until now. It's currently in the downward channel. Bro, this is fast. This thing is fast, quite fast. Let's move to the 3 minutes chart. It has created an imbalance here, so I think it's a good sell opportunity from here. We can plan a sell from here, definitely. Yeah, so we are entering a sell here. SL would be, this would be a huge SL. No, 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 no. The wick is huge for this one. Around 86 pips. Is it worth it? And what will be our target then? I don't think so. It can be unlimited, buddy. If we see 1 hour, that's the last time we got here. Guess it was long back we got here. Let me remove this price level indicator, and if we see 67.34 we got here on 12th September. I think our target will be 65 or 66, but this SL would be huge for this one. I don't think it's worth it. If you can manage this huge SL, then you're welcome. But I still think don't enter now. Don't enter on the breakout. Wait a few minutes. Let it retest. Let the market trap the buyers. And if it enters into buying, if it shows any potential of upside breakout, and if it is a fake out, then we'll enter a buy trade from here. And also there is some data coming out at 8. Natural gas storage changes in number of cubic feet of natural gases held in the underground storage during past week. So changes in okay, how much, so like how much natural gas is stored in the storehouse of the US government. Inventories are used to maintain price stability during supply shortages and periods of increasing demand. Natural gas, I don't think so it will affect crude oil. Natural gas, it will affect only natural gas like XNG, natural gas inventories. I don't think so that it will affect us, most likely. So yeah, so let's see. Let it come. See, look, I was telling you. So here is an imbalance formed. So this is known as an imbalance or a FVG in the terms of ICT. ICT, the greatest trade of all time. He calls these FVG. Don't enter now. Mm, sorry. No, how to get it? Yeah. Yeah, so we can see that the prices are following a downward channel. It's breaking up, but it's all fake out here. And it's again entering into that parallel downward channel. So yeah. So this was again the same thing. A huge fake out there. Now I think the price will reach this imbalance, and there is a level here because you know this is the this was the support, and most likely it must have turned into a resistance. So I expect price to rise until here, and then we'll wait for some reaction. If price immediately rejects, then enter sell. If it doesn't, and if it continues to go up, then wait. Okay, let's go. Let's see now. All we can do is wait now. We can add an alert here, and we can watch some other. We can watch other stuff. Alert. We can watch gold now. So for talking about gold, mm, so how many people are online now? 0 people. Let me edit something. I think it will. So we are moving on. 2665. I think Pavel is going to deliver the speech. So let's listen to the speech now. Let me set up my mic. Can you give me a minute? Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Just give me a minute. It's my hands are paining now. I cannot hold it for so long. Just bear with me. Just bear with me. Let me remove Hello, hello. Hello. Am I audible? Yeah, now I feel much better. Sorry for that. My setup is a bit messy. So yeah. Oh, directly it was coming to me. So yeah. So let's go. Let's start. Let's listen to Pavel's speech. Pavel's speech. Why it's lagging? My PC is lagging. It should. Oof. I'm not getting it. Yeah. Wow. Where's the speech link? Where's the speech link, buddy? Where is it? 6:50 p.m. It is 6:50. Delivers a pre-recorded opening remarks at U.S. Treasury meeting conference. Okay. Okay, let's see.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to the 10th Annual U.S. Treasury Market Conference. 10th Annual is a phrase that generates a bit of surprise and much pride. It is surprising because it does not seem like the first of these gatherings, which I was honored to play a role in organizing, was all that long ago. But we can also take pride because the conference has proven useful and important for a full decade, as I expect it will do for many more years to come. Much has changed in the economy since we first gathered in 2015, but the importance of the U.S. Treasury market has not. As you all know, this market is the deepest and most liquid in the world. In addition to meeting the financing needs of the federal government, it plays a critical role in the implementation of monetary policy. It is no exaggeration to say that the Treasury market is part of the bedrock of our economy and indeed of the world economy. The October 14 flash crash and the subsequent publication of the Interagency Working Group report on that event are what brought us together for the first annual conference. October 2014 was a wake-up call because there had never been such a large swing in Treasury prices in such a short period of time. The Interagency Working Group report shed light on how much the structure of the Treasury market had changed and how large a role high-speed electronic trading firms were playing in it.
Okay.
It also showed the value of cooperation and communication between the 5 agencies in the working group, something that proved again to be vital during the disruptions caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. I'm pleased to see that all working group members are represented here today. You will be hearing directly from many senior leaders, including your host, President Williams, Vice Chair Barr, and Secretary Yellen, who of course was Fed Chair at the time of the first conference. It is essential that our Treasury markets are able to efficiently transform Treasury securities into cash, even at times of elevated stress. As I noted at this event in 2015, these markets need to keep functioning at a high level, and we all have a stake in making sure that they do.
Okay.
I remained wholly dedicated to that goal. I wish you a productive and educational conference. Thank you.
Oh, so I inferred that he said about the treasury market, and the treasury market is in good condition. Like you can convert securities into cash whenever you can. So I think he is suggesting that the economy is in good condition. Let's now see the gold prices. He's a very optimistic about all this. So yeah, rest is all things about this colleague and stuff. So yeah, as expected, gold will go down, and London was pure manipulation, like all the highs. Yeah, so it's going. If we see the previous price prior day pre-market high and lows, then we get to see that the prior day high was 2670, and yeah, it's testing that again. Let's go on 3 minutes chart, try to find some trades for you guys. Yeah, so this is also a point where an imbalance was created. You could have taken your trade up here, put your stop loss up here. But it was better that you didn't enter the trade at it as it was before the Fed thing. So it's always risky going down that line. So yeah, let's now wait. This volume is troubling me. RSI is troubling me. Get out. Just let's see the previous day high and lows. I think I've drawn this some other purpose. Yeah, so I find this to be a weak selling area and it's about to convert to buy. I think it's going to test the imbalance again. It's going to test up to here. Guys, you can, if you can like handle around, I think this would be a good position. Around, if I think it will test the prior day's high. Yeah, it will definitely. So yeah, so if you can just put your SLs around here, I don't think so that it will be a fake out again. It will be a huge fake out then. Yeah, so you can trade in. You can trade in for sell. It's testing the imbalance again. So I'm entering a sell now. When it reaches, let's see how much it tests the imbalance. $26.70. Okay, we can place a sell order up here. We can put our SLs on 26.72. So yeah, is anyone watching? No one? Good. My device is not charged. This is shit now. See, I'm not entering a sell right now. I'll enter a sell when it reaches 26.70. So I'm placing a limit order 26.70, right? Yeah, 26.70 would be perfect. Around here, and placing a stop loss around 26. So about 14 pips of stop loss, and your RR is like virtually you can extend it to wherever you want, because this is a perfect setup. And I don't think so that it is a fake out, because it faked out once, faked out twice, and it's just a real one. It's incoming. So let's just take it. Let's just place a sell limit order 26.70. manage your risk accordingly. Don't just take too big lots. 2672. So I'm handling a loss of 350 rupees if it does break my thing. So yeah, or I can enter with 3. We can wait because this is a strong thing. It's having a strong selling, like strong buying up here. We can wait for some time because it can also directly break, which I am thinking. Let's see. I'm not entering a sell right now. I'm not advising you to enter a sell. I'll place my sell limit up here. It's testing the imbalance. You can see clearly the imbalance is being tested. So the ones who entered quick, like quick selling here, they were the lucky ones. They could have just enjoyed quick cash. But they also had huge risk, to be honest. Not worth it. It will again go up. Definitely it will test. The upper side. Trading is all about being patient. Just don't haste. Just be really patient. Never haste. Never ever. Never ever. It's going again up. It will again go up. It will test the 2670 and it will go down. It will test the 2670. It will go down. It's gonna test the prior day high. Prior day high. Or what? Has got badly rejected here, so I think I was correct. I could have entered up here in balance anywhere near this imbalance. I was not quite sure about it, so I didn't. I think if people who are entering by it's taking out them, then it'll go again up. Let's see. Sorry.